Okay, so hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is RC here, and today's vlog is going to be all about five things which I like about my bike and five things which I don't like about my bike. So let's get started. So first of all, I would be starting with the five things which I like about my bike. So the first thing is the comfortability of this bike. This bike is really very comfortable as compared to other bikes. Even if you are going to use this bike as a daily use or for touring, go for it, no issues. Uh, and the second thing is that in this second thing, I am impressed with Bajaj. It's about the ABS part, ABS thing which they have provided to us. Actually, nowadays many of the companies are providing ABS. Actually, we need ABS because we don't know, anything can happen at any time. So it's better if you buy an ABS bike. From my personal view, I want to say that ABS has saved my life many times. So it's better if you buy an ABS bike. And let's move on to the third part. The third part is the this one, projector headlamps. The projector headlamps of Bajaj Pulsar R200 are really very good. Even it's not like that Bajaj has provided any cheap quality product. I mean cheap quality headlamps. No, it's not like that. They are good. It's really very clear and visible during night time. Even if you go on a night long ride drives or anyway, it will be clear, not that bad. Let's move on to the fourth thing. It's about the average. Okay, so this bike gives me probably 34 to 35 in city drive, and on highway it gives me 38 to 40. It's okay, I'm happy with it. I was not expecting that RS will give me this amount of average, but yeah, I'm happy with it. I don't know of other RS owners, but that's it. And it's good, you can't expect more than this to 200cc bike. And let's move on to the last thing. It's about the riding position. Okay, so this bike has a good riding position as compared to other bikes because it doesn't give you any pain in your back or on your hands. Even I have done many long rides, it didn't give me any pain. I was comfortable on it as compared to RC, KTM RC. KTM RC has a lot of back pain. I'm going to say body pain while driving. If any of my subscriber or any of the viewer is watching this video, you must have drive KTM RC. The pain, you will know how it feels after riding for almost 30 minutes. See guys, I'm not comparing RC and RS. I'm just telling that because RC is a track bike, that's why. Okay, so let's move on to the five things which I don't like about my bike. The first one will be the thing which I am not facing. Many RS owners are facing, that's the vibration sensor. Okay, there are a lot of vibration in this bike. Actually, the vibration starts from here. You can see a part over here. This is the main part. It starts vibration from here and from here also. These two, from this side and this side, and also vibrates a lot over here. Here, this thing. I don't know why Bajaj has not cleared this thing. Even service people are helpless. So I think Bajaj should clear this thing because it irritates a lot while driving. It makes some weird noise, and it disturbs a lot while riding. Okay, so let's move on to the second thing. It's about the gearbox. So the gearbox of this bike, actually I have added this rubber shift cover to my, I mean, gear shifter pad, because it becomes some marks on your shoes, slippers or anything, because this is a hard part. Okay, so let's come to the point. Okay, from you are on a high gear and you want to take your bike to less low gear. Sometimes while taking the shifter gets stuck in between. I don't know why. What is the problem? I have told to the service center last time. They told that they have worked on it, but I don't know. Shifter is facing the same problem again. And also sometimes when you are on second gear and you want to minus gear to the first gear, automatically it goes to the neutral. Okay, so let's move on to the third part. It's about again the projector headlamps, not about projector headlamps, but there are some gaps over here. You will not see clearly, but there are some gaps over here, as there are no gaps compared to the other headlights. I mean, look, it has not that much of gap, but it has more gap over here. I don't know what's the problem. I don't know what's the problem, or the headlight has, or it has some problem. I don't know. I have to check it once with the service center. And moving on to the third part, it's about the, this mirrors. Actually, Bajaj has provided low quality mirrors. They are not that good quality products. Actually, this has also a lot of vibration while riding. I have seen many a times that it's a lot like this continuously while driving. Actually, when your bike reaches from 4000 rpm to 5000 rpm, the whole this thing vibrates, including this thing. So while looking at the rear view, it's not that visible due to this vibration thing. So Bajaj should change these mirrors and provide some good quality mirrors. Moving on to the last thing, it's about the exhaust part. That's the black thing. I don't know what is it. It always keeps coming that black, the black dots and all. I don't know what's it. If anyone knows about it, please comment in the comment section below. Many people are facing this problem. I don't know what this. Okay, so that's it for today. These were the 5 things which I like about my bike and 5 things which I don't like about my bike. I hope you guys have liked this video. Do like this video, and if you think it's really very informative, then do share it. And thank you so much guys for my first video. Everyone gave me positive uh, replies. Thank you so much. I didn't expected that you guys will like that video so much. So thank you so much again, and keep supporting me, and it makes me happy when you are happy with my videos. That's it. So that's it for today. See you guys with a new video. So till then, ride hard, ride safe. Bye bye guys.